Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 12, Dynamic Memory Allocation in C. In this episode, we learn how to allocate and manage memory dynamically using malloc, calloc, realloc, and free functions. Dynamic memory allocation lets you allocate memory at runtime, which is useful when the size of your data is not fixed. C provides malloc, calloc, realloc, and free functions for this purpose. The malloc function allocates memory of a given size and returns a void pointer. The memory is not initialized, so it may contain garbage values. The calloc function allocates memory for an array of n elements of given size and initializes all elements. It helps avoid garbage values. The realloc function adjusts the size of a previously allocated memory block. It can increase or decrease the size while preserving existing data. The free function releases memory allocated using malloc, calloc, or realloc, preventing memory leaks. This diagram shows how memory is allocated dynamically, used in the program, resized if needed, and finally freed. Here is an example using malloc to allocate memory for integers and print them. When you run this program, it prints the elements stored in the dynamically allocated memory. This example uses malloc to allocate memory for 5 integers, assigns values, prints them, and frees the memory. The output of example 1, using malloc is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This program uses calloc to allocate memory for 5 integers, then initializes them with values 1 to 5, and prints them. The output of example 2, using calloc is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This example reallocates memory to increase its size and stores additional values without losing the original data. The output of example 3, using realloc is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This program demonstrates safe memory allocation and deallocation to prevent memory leaks. The output of example 4, memory leak prevention is as follows: memory allocated and freed safely. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1, dynamically allocate memory for 10 integers and print them. Use malloc, assign values, and print each element. Exercise 2, allocate memory using calloc for n floats and initialize them to non-zero values. Use a loop to assign and print all values. Exercise 3, resize an array using realloc and print all elements. Allocate memory initially, then expand it and add extra values. Exercise 4, dynamically allocate memory for a string and input a sentence. Use malloc for character array and scanf or fgets to read input. Exercise 5, free allocated memory and set the pointer to null. Always release dynamically allocated memory to avoid memory leaks. Thank you for watching episode 12. Stay tuned for the next episode in this Basic C Programming series.